Okay, let's display the user detail. The first one, we have now user, so we can say user user name. Let's copy this and paste in here. So this email, save it, and go to your browser. Let's check it. So we have a now name and email. Okay, here we will display the phone, and in a div status div table data, we need to find if if user status is equal to on, then do this, else do this, and if user status is on, so then print active, otherwise deactive. And here we will show its role. We say user role, save it, and check in our browser. So phone status and the roles. The layout is not a row. Here we have a column 12 and div row, column 12, column small 8, and a div row column. Let's create a div. Class column small 12, and inside we will copy this. This div X, control X and paste. Okay, div column, this is the row, and this is the div column 12, and okay, save it, refresh. Okay, let's show the other ones. Deactive, user role, and now we need to, in this table data, we will create an anchor tag. In this anchor tag, we required an FA found awesome fa class fa edit, and another as control and select control D, shift D to create for trash, and let's remove this. It is not required. Here we will send our link to edit. So we will print root, and the root is user dot edit, and we will send the ID of user ID. So user ID root user dot delete, and the ID of user ID. Okay, in this anchor tag we have to check. Okay, let's save it, and we can see. So we have an edit, and here we can see the your ID of the user and delete. Okay, we have to print the on click. We will send return confirm, and in a confirm we will print the message, are you sure you wish to proceed. So save it, let's refresh, and when we click we want to, are you sure you wish to proceed? So when we cancel it, it will not delete it. Okay, let me recheck why the layout is making problem. So row column small 12, column small 8, and here we column small 4, fine. Row column small 8, column small 2, 4. In a row we have a class column small 8. Yes, there is a issue, that's why it's making. Okay, let's delete this div column small 12, and this one, and let's open it. Column small offset 2, it will align this our user listing. So see, it's aligned. Okay, now we are displaying our users. So name, email, phone, status, and role. Okay, we need to edit this, and we are sending this ID. So it's a blank, so it will user edit, and the ID is 5. So when we want to delete, so we are sending the user delete and 6. Okay, now we need to get this ID in our controller. So in the next video we will do it. Stay tuned.